Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I love diving into art supplies, unboxings, and creative tools that help bring ideas to life. And today, I've got something really exciting. The Artist Loft Pet with 66, so let's open it up together and see what's in. Here's the box, nice sturdy packaging. It's designed almost like a portable art studio in a case, so you can just grab it and go. Already feels like it has a little bit of everything. Everything is laid out so neatly. All right, let's get into it. And wow, look at this. So here's what we've got. I love when art kits are organized like this. A set of watercolor cakes, which is amazing because it instantly makes this kit multi-medium. Several sketching pencils for your outlines and shading. Brushes, watercolors, paints, oil pastels, a carrying adjustable strap. Basically, everything you'd need whether you're sketching, painting, or experimenting with color booklet guide. Let's get a closer look. These pencils feel smooth in the hand, and the colors look vibrant even before swatching. The all pastels, super pigmented, creamy, and easy to blend. The watercolors have a nice range of shades, which is awesome if you're just starting and don't want to buy individual sets. Let's do a quick test on paper. Yep, the pencils glide nicely. The pastels give that rich color payoff. Honestly, this set feels like a great start, but even as someone who's been making art for a while, I can see it being super useful for travel or quick sketches. It's kind of like having a mini studio you can carry anywhere. So that's the Artist Loft 66-piece mixed media art set. A really versatile kit with a lot of value packed inside. Let me know in the comments, which medium do you love working with the most? Pencils, pastels, or watercolors? And don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next unboxing or art review. Thanks for watching.